Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sneha Agrawal, tarot reader, numerologist and Reiki healer. So today I'm doing a journal tarot prediction for zodiac Libra whose date of birth falls between September 23rd till October 22. So before I start, I want to inform everyone that this is a very journal tarot prediction. So it might resonate with few, it might not resonate with others. So whatever resonate with you, take that advice and leave the rest. So I'll be doing a tarot prediction for the coming week of January from 18 till January 25th. So in this video, I am just checking that what Libra people are currently dealing with there in their life, what is going currently in their life, and how the week of January 18 till 25th will be for them. And also in this video, I'll be doing a one angel card guidance for this coming week for the Libra people. That how this coming week, what angels guidance angels want to give for them. So let's check that what they are dealing with currently. What is their current energies? Let's check that. What is the Libra current energies? What is that going in their mind? So currently I can see there somewhere, some financial decisions, some kind of opportunities, some kind of career decisions or financial decision is disturbing them. So I can see that people, something has happened in their life currently that, they are looking at the past opportunities which didn't work for them. They are just upset with that and they are not focusing what they are currently what opportunities are waiting for them. They are not focusing on that but rather focusing on what has gone and what hasn't worked for them. So I can see a little emotional imbalance, and also they are not focusing currently what they have right now. They are just focusing that what didn't work for them. They are currently upset with something. They are trying to regain the strength. And so okay, so let me check that what the week of January 18th till January 25th will be for the Libra guys. What advice how this coming week of January will be for them. Let's check that. So let's check that how the week of January 18 till January 25th will be for Libra guys. Okay. So I can see that somewhere अभी I can see the energy that कुछ लोगों के दिल में कुछ चीज़ों को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा ना they are very upset that somebody has done something or mood swings, or it might be mood swings or something which has happened in the past कि आपने कुछ energies, कुछ जो चीज़ें आपके लिए work नहीं हुई है, आपने उस चीज़ को ना दिल में लेके आपने बहुत stuck कर लिया. You are stuck with something. You're holding some grudges. You're holding something that didn't work for you, which I can see that it's not that difficult, that you are focusing that ये नहीं हुआ, पिछले time पे ये नहीं work हुआ, and you are holding that energy. And it's not like that it's not possible, which I can see that it's definitely possible. It's just that you have to regain the strength. You have to regain that power. You have to regain that willpower that no, it's like manzil abhi itni dur nahi hai. I can do it. Definitely I can do it. So I can see it's, if you don't hold that grudges, you don't hold the past, whatever happened, I don't know, but yeah, whatever has happened in your past, don't hold that. Move on. Your journey is like, I can see that it's not that very far. And definitely in this week it might happen that something work for you and you get very balanced. So don't be very emotional. If you have to take any decisions this coming week, I would say don't be very emotional. Don't take decisions in like very जल्दबाजी में कुछ डिसीजंस नहीं लेना है। बहुत कामली अपने माइंड में कुछ डिसीजंस अगर आपको लेने पड़ते हैं, आप किसी चीज़ को लेके अगर आप फोकस कर रहे हो, तो जस्ट बी वेरी काम एंड क्वाइट, लाइक वेरी पेशेंटली यू हैव टू डील दिस कमिंग वीक। एंड यस, कुछ पैसों को लेके, कुछ करियर को लेके, कुछ फाइनेंसेस को लेके जो भी आपकी परेशानी चल रही है, वो इस कमिंग वीक में ज़रूर आप कुछ ना कुछ आपको गुड न्यूज़ मिलने वाला है। So all the best guys, don't worry. Whatever the past issues, whatever confusion which I can see, yes. So I was actually feeling that you are confused, you have to take some decision and you are emotional, you are confused. एक जगलिंग चल रही है दिमाग में। सो वो जगलिंग को लेके कहीं ना कहीं स्टार का कार्ड इट शो स्टेबिलिटी, तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ आपका काम बनने वाला है। सो उसके लिए मे बी दिस डिसीजन इज दैट डोंट बी, आपको मूड, आपके मूड को आपको कंट्रोल करना, आपके इमोशंस को आपको कंट्रोल करना है। आपको ज़्यादा चीज़ों को लेके सोचना नहीं है, आपको बहुत स्ट्रेस में कुछ डिसीजन नहीं लेने, आपको बहुत एक बैलेंस माइंड से आपको फोकस, आपको डील करना है। So yeah, that's a very positive card. Whatever you're dealing with, don't be very upset, don't be emotionally drained. Just एक आपको एक स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत है, एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड की ज़रूरत है। And whatever this coming week, it's a positive. You have to be just be balanced, and definitely that work, whatever decisions you have to make, whatever you are looking for, definitely the coming week में आपकी ज़रूर पूरी होगी. So thank you guys. Also, let's see what angels wants to give the guidance for you guys for this coming week. So first card I can see that release. Whatever didn't work for you, so let go of that energy, let go of that purpose, whatever didn't serve you. So yeah, let's check what angels wants to give the guidance for this coming week. So let's check that what angels want to convey, what angel message and guidance want to convey for Libra people for this coming week. See, whatever I told in this tarot, what that's only the messages from the angel, that align your actions so that they match your values and inner knowingness of and what is right for you. So whatever didn't work for you, please let go that energy and focus on what you have and what you have to do in future. Don't be upset with the past energy, just let go what didn't work for you. Don't hold that, because of that if you're holding something you won't be able to move and see the opportunities which is standing right behind you. So you are somewhere very, trust your intuition, your mind, your instinct are telling you something. Just go with your instinct, whatever spiritual messages. I can see that some people have that clairvoyant, they can see, they have the intuition. So I would say it will help you to heal. It is guiding you. So this coming week I would say that do something, whatever you are getting the instinct, whatever you are getting the message, just go by your instinct. Don't be very upset, don't get into that zone that it didn't work for me. Don't be negative, leave the past, whatever happened, just move on. And whatever decisions you have to make this coming week, just take that decision with a very calm mind. So I hope if it resonate with any of you, please do let me know.